Hello, children! Nice to see you again. I'm Uncle Bugs, and today I want to show you a book, right? If you want to be an inventor, you got to get one of this book. With this book, you learn how to give birth to new ideas, right? You want to know more? Let me explain a bit more. Okay, so for example, here is lesson number 1. Invent a hammer. Alright? So how to invent a hammer? Okay, I will tell you the problems that you can find in the hammer, and correspondingly I will also give you some hint. By giving the hint, then you can start thinking about it. I got a new idea, right? So this is where then you draw your new idea here. You draw your new idea here, give your new idea a new name, alright, a name, and then you need to explain to me how it works and what is the advantage of using a new hammer. Alright, can you do that? Okay, so you can get this book from me, and I've got a lot more. I've got book 4, I've got book 3, I've got book 2, and I've got book 1. So many books for you. Alright, good luck to you with your new ideas. Bye!